Electric vehicles are starting to flock to American roads right now. Give them 10 to 20 years, and they will probably outnumber gas-only vehicles. Still, this doesn't mean that you should get any EVs offered to you by the dealerships you come across. Similar to gas-powered cars, you need to get those with good driving qualities and fuel-efficient performance. Plus, don't ignore reliability, as repairs for these EVs outside their warranty tend to be extremely costly. It's a good thing that several automotive authorities like Consumer Reports have something to say when it comes to these electric rides. Hello everyone, this is Ted from CarlandTV. Take the back seat as in this episode, I am revealing the top most electrifying electric vehicles in the market this 2024, according to expert curations. Before I start, I would like to ask you the favor of hitting the subscribe and notification bells. They help the channel a lot. Now buckle up, and let's get back to the video. 2024 Lexus RX. The Lexus RX is under the radar of many EV buyers and experts, with Consumer Reports even stating that this one is one hell of a reliable car. But first, let me briefly introduce what the 2024 Lexus RX is. You see, this one isn't your typical Lexus car. It's Lexus's very first electric vehicle, so it's understandable if it still has some rough edge here and there. An example of this is its driving range, which isn't on par with its rivals within a similar price segment. I also have to point out that its charging is restricted to 150 kilowatt DC charging only. Plus, there's also this little gripe of its roofline getting in the way of its cargo space. But as I've mentioned, this is still a new car, so we can expect some improvements in the future. What I can say right now is that this vehicle delivers luxury inside and out. Its interior, for example, is made from premium materials for an authentic upscale feel. It's also downright comfortable. For example, you would really love to ride the RZ for long hours. For its base powertrain, it has a 201 horsepower RZ300e. This one has an electric motor powering the front axle. There's also the RZ450e powertrain that features a dual motor configuration on a four-wheel drive setup. That one gives 308 horsepower across all the wheels. It is definitely spirited, as it can hit 60 miles per hour under 5 seconds. But compared to its rivals, its acceleration isn't top-notch. Handling is pretty much balanced and refined, which is something that I already expected from a Lexus car. 2024 Tesla Model S. Tesla is the one that revolutionized the EV explosion, and perhaps we can't have all these electric goodies without Tesla. The company is still rolling today, but admittedly, more and more car brands are closing into the tail of Tesla. But hey, we can't just take anything from Tesla. The Model S, in a nutshell, is the electric sedan that has propelled the entire EV market into popularity. It has maintained notable features throughout the years, such as its agreeable handling and balanced driving demeanor, superb acceleration, and respectable all-electric range capabilities. On the flip side, it has some downsides as well, such as its limited cargo space and not-so-premium cabin design. Well, I want it to be premium because, hey, this sedan sits at $76,000 for its base model alone. According to estimates, the Model S can traverse up to 400 miles per charge, though I am not really sure if it's reachable in real-world tests. If it's not, I am confident that it's close to what these predicted figures are stating. This sedan is agile and has the grit that can make your drive enjoyable. All Model S is equipped with an all-wheel drive. There's a motor for the front and rear axles, and you can't ask for more than that. It's a road blitzer, given that it can actually hit 60 miles per hour from zero in less than 3 seconds. Its Plaid model, on the other hand, has another electric motor, so it's not surprising that it can reach 60 miles per hour in 2 seconds flat. 2025 Porsche Taycan. Who wants to buy a Taycan? I do. But do I have money for that? Obviously, I don't have it. Still, Consumer Reports sees the Taycan as one of the most reliable electric vehicles right now. For a starting price of $101,000, reliability should be non-negotiable for this expensive sedan. Of course, the Taycan brings more than reliability to the table. It accelerates fast, as it can zip 0 to 60 miles per hour in less than 5 seconds on its base rear-wheel drive configuration. If you go for its Turbo S model, it can hit 60 miles per hour in just 2 seconds. The base model of the Taycan is the only one that uses a single motor on its rear wheel. The rest of the higher trims have an all-wheel drive setup, thanks to their dual electric motors. You can expect the base model to output 429 horsepower, which is still super strong. But this number is eclipsed by all-wheel drive Taycan sedans, as they generally put up 536 horsepower, with the Turbo S pushing the needle up to 938 horsepower, with the car launch feature, that is. Moreover, the Taycan has an impressive driving range, though it does not really stack up to the likes of Model S, which can cover 400 miles per single charge. The latest iteration of the Taycan is said to be able to traverse at least 250 miles, which is not really a bad thing. The tech and comfort features of the Porsche Taycan are also insane. The cabin reminds you of the conventional Porsche layout, with the schemes and materials really matching those found on other Porsche cars. 2024 BMW iX. One of the top electric SUVs right now is the 2024 BMW iX. In fact, most of BMW's offerings are excellent choices for those who are hunting for luxurious and equally reliable electric cars. Still, the market thinks that the 2024 BMW iX tops them all. The BMW iX is a midsize SUV, which makes it a perfect pick for a family car, and it has a size similar to the BMW X5. Of course, the difference is that the BMW iX is an electric vehicle, while the X5 is powered by a gasoline engine. The base model of the BMW iX is the xDrive 50, and this one already delivers over 500 ponies on the wheels. However, because we are talking about a BMW car here, a performance model is also available. Aptly named the M60, this configuration offers up to 610 horsepower. However, if you are going to pick this trim, get ready to pay at least $100,000, which of course a lot of consumers would turn down in a heartbeat. The base xDrive 50 model has a price of $88,000. It is not exactly cheap, but it is significantly more affordable than its higher trim cousin. Regardless of which trim you pick for the BMW iX, all of them will give you an example of what a premium SUV is. From its peppy acceleration to its comfortable and refined on-road dynamics, this SUV has them perfected. The tech is sufficient, and all the appointments are just so handsome. Plus, it gives you at least 320 miles of driving range per charge. So, there's not really any money lost on this luxury electric SUV. 2024 Hyundai Ioniq 6. Hyundai is currently one of the market leaders in electric vehicles, with the Ioniq 6 being the flagship for the said brand. With a starting price of $38,000, the Ioniq 6 sedan features a sleek exterior and stylish interior while boasting top-of-the-line tech. It's not an exaggeration to say that this car is a visual eye candy, and because of its price, it definitely got the attention of many buyers. Notably, a significant number of Ioniq 6 was taken from its cousin SUV, the Ioniq 5. Perhaps the Ioniq 6 got a lot of attention because the performance of the Ioniq 5 was imported and packed in stylish body hardware. I appreciate the Ioniq 6 for including an all-wheel drive option in its setup. It also offers 2 battery packs, with the bigger one being capable of covering 361 miles of all-electric driving range, according to EPA. This number easily outclasses the capabilities of the Model 3 Tesla. But of course, the results in actual test drives prove that such estimates are a bit overloaded. Still, it has a far better performance than most of its counterparts. The base model of the Ioniq 6 is equipped with a 149 horsepower engine, which is paired with one electric motor that powers its rear wheels. With the long-range battery pack, that number increases to 225 horsepower. Meanwhile, the dual-motor models have this larger battery as a standard pairing, and it increases the on-road prowess of this sedan to 320 horsepower. This one blitzes the freeways convincingly. Overall, the Ioniq 6 is a well-engineered electric car, and Hyundai got the designs and provisions of this vehicle almost too perfectly.